Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for protecting your investment in your new iPhone 16 Pro Max. We discovered the Ailun Screen Protector and Camera Lens Protector Pack, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Ailun Screen and Camera Lens Protector Pack? This product includes 3 screen protectors and 3 camera lens protectors specifically designed for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which features a stunning 6.9-inch display. The pack also comes with an installation frame to make the setup process as smooth as possible. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the standout features of this product. First and foremost, the screen protectors are crafted from high-quality tempered glass, which is 0.33 mm thick and provides maximum protection against scratches, scrapes, and bumps. Despite its robust construction, it maintains an impressive level of sensitivity and touch responsiveness, ensuring that you won't compromise your user experience. One unique aspect of this product is its design. Due to the rounded edge of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Ailun has engineered the screen protectors to be slightly smaller than the full screen. This is intentional, as it enhances compatibility with most cases while still covering the entire display area to ensure maximum protection. However, it's important to note that this product is not compatible with the iPhone 16e, 16, 6.1-inch, 16 Pro, 6.3-inch, or 16 Plus, 6.7-inch. Moving on to the camera lens protectors, they incorporate a cutting-edge technology designed specifically for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The seamless integration of augmented reality allows for excellent light transmittance, meaning that when you're shooting at night, you won't have to worry about compromising the quality of your photos or videos. The design eliminates the need for a flash hole position, thus preserving the original quality of your images even in low-light conditions. So, who is this product suitable for? If you've recently upgraded to an iPhone 16 Pro Max and want to keep your device in pristine condition, this protector pack is a must-have. It's perfect for everyday users, tech enthusiasts, and photographers who often capture moments on the go. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a casual user, the Ailun protectors will offer you peace of mind knowing your device is shielded from daily wear and tear. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're at a concert, snapping photos with your friends, and suddenly the crowd gets a little rowdy. With the Ailun camera lens protector, you can focus on capturing those memories without worrying about scratches or damage to your camera lens. Similarly, if you're someone who frequently works in environments where your phone might be exposed to dust or dirt, the screen protector will keep your display clear and responsive, ensuring you can easily access your apps and functions. In conclusion, the Ailun Screen and Camera Lens Protector Pack for the iPhone 16 Pro Max provides an excellent solution for anyone looking to protect their device without sacrificing functionality. With its thoughtful design, high-quality materials, and innovative features, it's an investment in the longevity of your smartphone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.